Hiya once again, Tim with Tim's Computer Repair here. I've had this company, excuse me if I say this name wrong. It's VIGRUE or VIGRUE, not really sure. Sorry if I said it wrong. But anyways, they sent me an electric screwdriver kit here for precision screwdriver set, actually, for doing precision work, especially for all the laptops and such that I take apart. I told them that I would give them a little review of this product here they sent me, so I really appreciate that. I've done electric screwdriver reviews before. I will say that I put screwdrivers to good use in doing what I do here in my shop. So let's go ahead and unbox this, have a look at. First I will tell you, pretty doggone heavy little package here. That tells me a couple things. Most likely that the bits are probably of quality grade and the driver itself is of quality, being that it's so heavy. I would be a little bit more concerned if it was just light as a feather. That's just one observation before I even open the box. I've never used this product before. Let's open this up and take a look. Wow. Nice case, that's for sure. It looks like the case actually does the charging. Interesting. Press the red button and it pops out. Very nice. Oh yeah. I like the case. Definitely nifty little case. And this is also the charging port here for the driver itself. One unique feature that I can see right off the bat is it's got an LCD screen or an LED screen right here. I haven't even gotten into what that shows yet, but we'll get into that as I use this screwdriver. All right, out of the box, it's charged. As you can see, the LED comes on. I do see a battery icon here up top, so it's fully charged. And I am thinking, yep, front and back. There's a number 5 here. I think that's probably has something to do with torque. And let me see. There's a button here up top that I see. Oh, look at that, an LED light too. Okay, all right, not bad. So this is a 48-bit kit here, ranging from your flatheads to your Phillips head to your hex. This is a P6. And this case is magnetized. I like that. That is cool too. Keep your bits in place. This is, I guess, your square head is labeled as an S0. So square probably. I know some type of screws that do take that type of a bit to open. Some bigger, fatter Phillips. Some really skinny Phillips. Ooh, wow. Yeah, that's really skinny flat, man. Wow, that is seriously skinny. That's good. That's for precision, things like watches. Look at this one. This is a SL 1.0, and I mean, that is a teeny tiny flathead, man. Wow, that's pretty cool. And I guess this is like a cross bit here. Call that a W1.5. Wow, I would think you would have almost every bit you need. Look at this guy. That is a tiny bit right there. That is I don't know the names of all of these. Looks like H0.7. Not sure what that stands for, but man, that is a hex. It might be a hexagon shaped. That is a tiny hexagon, man. What are you talking about? All the way up to a bigger one, say H3.0. That's a hex. Hex bits is what those are. I noticed down here that you can magnetize and demagnetize your bits down here. Other side here, more bits. This is a H2.0. Hexagon, another hex, I think. These are your star. A T10H. Oh yeah, with the hollow point on the ends of them. I've used those before on different things, some Macs and what have you. I think you might have just about every bit you might need or you come across for precision work. That is, I've seen these before too. This is called a U 2.6. So those are U bits, I guess. That's what they're called. You know, they look and feel like they'd be quality bits. Time will tell. I will use these for a bit here while I'm on this video here. I'll probably go ahead and use them in this video just to boom. Nice magnetized tip there. Whoop, see? Torque. There you go. And I'm even doing it one-handed. Yep, that's it. Good and tight. Makes life nice and easy, doesn't it? Okay, as I use this screwdriver, I have it set to 1. Okay, if you see, I am still holding down the tighten button and it stopped by itself because it senses tension and it doesn't want to, you know, strip the screw, so it stopped for me. So I'll let go of that button. So it still has some more room to tighten, right? So I am going to set this maybe to number 2. We'll go to number 2. There it is flashing. Let's see if I can get it a little tighter. Oh yeah, fair bit tighter. And that's about as tight as I want it. And it stopped by itself again. Let's try this last one that I did. Yep, perfect. And another thing I noticed, that once this screwdriver reaches its torque limit, or whatever settings you have it set to, the LED light flashes to let you know that it is stopped because of the torque limits. So guys, if you're looking for a quality precision electric screwdriver, this may be the one to try. Fits nicely in your hand, got a nice display here, your battery. So guys, if you're looking for a quality precision electric screwdriver, this may be the one to try. Got a nice, I will have links to this screwdriver set I talked about here down in the description below this video. I will continue to use this screwdriver over time. Let's just find out if we can get a track record on it. But so far, I'm really liking this. Great for technicians like myself, again, computer repair shop. So if you're looking for a good mechanical precision screwdriver, you might want to try this one out. I will continue to use this screwdriver over time and we'll see how well it holds up, but so far so good. I am Tim with Tim's Computer Repair. See you soon.